Trish Hatley, and I'm here celebrating the power of song. I'm in Washington State in the Olympic Peninsula in the whole rainforest that gets at least 12 feet of rain a year. We're in a maple field here with lots of beautiful moss, and I have something really special. I've got advice from the rainforest. Breathe deeply. Celebrate diversity. Let your good ideas mushroom. Shower often. Live green. Have a fertile imagination and always keep growing. That's your true nature. Anyway, I'm just so grateful that we're here. We're having an awesome time. And come visit me at my site on singingaffirmations.com and check out our next trip. I've got attitude of gratitude, attitude of gratitude, attitude of gratitude, and it's all mine. I've got attitude of gratitude. I'm doing just fine. I'm doing just fine. I'm happy in the morning. I'm happy at night. I'm happy in the morning and I'm happy at night. I'm happy all day.